Hey guys, Tracy Repchuk here, and before we go running into or how to operate and set up your profile and things of that nature, I wanted to touch on what it is and why you should even be looking at it, doing it, and really making this a part of your current business daily habits. The first reason is it is really proving to be the next big thing. We know social media is the standard. Everybody's on it. 2.85 billion on Facebook. Three-quarters of a billion are sitting on LinkedIn. 10 million have just hit Clubhouse. And we are poised to be the next social media disruptor. And one of the primary reasons is we are also an online global broadcasting network. On this network, you can have your own TV channel, as well as really join a platform that pays you. So as you're building your groups on perhaps LinkedIn or Facebook, no one's paying you to do that, right? You might be making money based on selling your services and goods, and that's great. But what we want to do is add one more level, and that is pay you to build it here, pay you for your loyalty, and really create an environment that makes it safe for you to operate your business. And we do this a couple of ways. The first is we do not sell your members to advertisers. We don't sell their data. Your data is safe, and you know, Facebook is closing groups all the time now. They're rampantly targeting anybody that's saying anything that they don't agree with. And so this is not a very solid way to build your business. And in fact, it could almost lead to, the collapse of it. And so not only do we want to keep you safe, but we want to pay you for your loyalty. Now we're already, in 47 countries. We're the new broadcast. You can monetize your time and effort easily now, whereas this does not exist in any other platform. And connections at the touch of a button through the use of technology called Connection Generator, which I do show you how to completely set up. Money saving discounts, which I'll talk about as well, and the Be Connected University. Now, I'm not going to spend too much time going through this entire presentation. But I'm going to highlight the key elements, and that is the ability for you to broadcast on the Live in the Hive platform as new members, as you promote to your group on the platform, to an event you're doing on the platform, or to just grab a free account because it's invitation only. All those people that are coming under your umbrella, you can be compensated for if they upgrade to a paid membership. And so primarily that's what's massively the difference between what's in it for you and what's in it for your members. So you can see here all of the major benefits and things of that nature. But the bottom line is there is no network out there that will pay you commission, passive, and residual income on all upgrades. It's the major difference between us and everything out there today. Our core values wrap around content, value, connections, educations, and savings. And we get the content based on an influencer, based on you, based on what you're broadcasting. And the best part is you still own that content. You will take it, you will put it on your YouTube channel, you can break it apart and put it on your social media. That is yours. But the major benefit here is we're going to feature you on the front dashboard, which means every single member that opts into to the system is going to see you and or your replay. And we also have a major deal right now where we have a partnership with the top tier meeting and webinar platform. You know them. They want rhyme with broom, and we got the elite $140 a month program for only $12.99. So if you're paying more than that, grab yourself a free membership and take advantage of our partnership immediately. And if you are paying for the webinar feature, or you want more than 100 attendees, because this includes 500 attendees and the webinar at that $12.99, go and grab it. It's one of the greatest savings programs I've seen. Of course, the connection generator, which you're going to find out a lot about, but in a few sentences, it is artificial intelligence, it is search engine optimized algorithm. It delivers you like a dating app, perfectly matched people that are looking for what you have. And so this is beyond anything that is out there. It is a proprietary tool called the connection generator, and it's automatic. As soon as you log into your account, it will serve up 6 people, and you can make an arrangement to contact one of those people, have a meeting, and then in order to keep this spam free and high quality, after that meeting, you both give each other a 5-star rating system. The beautiful part about that is it keeps everybody really on high delivery, because the algorithm will then take those 5-star rating and feed those people up more. So you want to be among those. It has an unbelievable university, over $40,000 worth of courses. I have 4 courses in there that if you were to come to personally buy from me right now, they're $3,500 a piece. Why not just pay for a $299 membership at the Be Pro level and come on in and grab the entire university and all of these courses? I've done them all. They're all spectacular. They're all how-to related to your business. You get a $2,500 travel savings passport, save anywhere from 20 to 60% on online travel. You just log in, activate the passport. It's a portal, and it's going to show you all the prices compared to Expedia, Travelocity, Priceline, Hotels.com, all of it. So you will know that you are getting the best price and can even go over to those other platforms to prove it. And so, again, if you're a free member right now looking at this, one of the things you can take a look at is if you are a chamber, a nonprofit, a group that has monthly dues, you can take a look at that Be Associate program and actually get paid for building your membership. You can look at the Be Pro Plus program, which it means you're bringing a group over. Facebook, LinkedIn, you're going to start to build them over here now. And then, of course, that's where that opportunity to not only be safe in the build of your group, but get paid for all the members that upgrade on the platform. And you could, if you want, jump all in at an affiliate level and really take it to that next level for yourself, right? Because just think about it. If somebody had said to you in the early days of Facebook or LinkedIn, hey, how would you like to be an affiliate for this, in which every time you refer a member and they upgrade to Sales Navigator at $80 a month, you get paid, period. I mean, I would have made hundreds of thousands of dollars if that program had existed. And in this situation, it does. And we're at the early stages. You will be a early adopter of this, and people can't join without coming through somebody, without a referral, without an invitation. You might as well be the one getting paid for it all day long. So that's the start of it. There's obviously a lot more. The compensation program, if you're interested. The details of each of these programs, if you're interested. But if you're brand new and you're already in Be Connected in some way, shape, or form, awesome. If you're not and you don't know, feel free to head tracyrepchuk.beconnected.com and have a good look at how you can really benefit from this platform deeper. And then the rest of the videos will take you through the how to do it. Have a great rest of your day.